Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time for another GoSkills Excel challenge. Joining us today is GoSkills' own Claudia Buckley. Do you have what it takes to figure out the challenge? Here it comes right now.
This challenge was submitted by our community member Ilgar Zarbaliev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Let's say you're responsible for managing this school library that serves 100 students. Each student has their unique ID. Students can borrow up to 5 books at a time from a collection of 120 unique titles, and some books have multiple copies. They can borrow books for up to 21 days, and there's a charge of $1 for each overdue day. Your job is to fill in all these blank columns, starting with the status column on the data worksheet. In this column, you'll return a value of available or not available based on the number of copies of each title and whether there are any of that title that has been borrowed from the transactions worksheet. On the check worksheet, we want to be able to select a student ID, return the student's name, whether they have any books on loan, and whether there are any fines due for late returns. We also want to return a value in cell E2 that tells us whether the student is allowed to borrow any additional books. Over in this query, we want to be able to return the title of the book that's queried in cell G2, whether that book is available for borrowing, and when is the earliest available date if all copies are out on loan. All tasks and constraints can be found in the challenge worksheet. It's a fun challenge. I solved it using my favorite method, but I'm sure there are other ideas out there. Share your solution with our community on Slack, and I'll share mine next week. See you soon.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!